In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create perspective text with zipper effect in Canva. We'll start by opening Canva and creating a new design at the size that fits your project, whether it's a social post, thumbnail, or presentation. Set your background to a solid black. This gives great contrast and helps the zipper effect stand out clearly. Next, head to Elements and search for Typecraft. Add it to your canvas, then type any word you want to feature. Choose a warp preset or use the custom controls to push the text into perspective. You're aiming for a sense of depth, so don't be afraid to exaggerate the tilt a little. Change the text color to something bold, then add it to your design. Resize and position the word where you want the zipper to interact with it. Now let's bring in the zipper. Go back to Elements and search for Zipper. Insert a zipper graphic, rotate it so it matches the angle of your warped text, and resize it to fit. Align the zipper teeth along the area that will appear to open across the word. Take a moment to refine the placement so it visually feels like the zipper is peeling back the letters. Duplicate your page to make a working copy. On the second page, select the Typecraft text and open its editor. Then adjust the text color to the look you want to show through the zipper and update the element. Go to Tools, choose Draw, set the brush color to black, and open Settings to increase the brush weight for smoother coverage. Now click and drag to shade the portion of the word that should be hidden under the zipper teeth. Stay within the zipper shape and fill it thoroughly. This will become your mask. When that's done, click Share, choose Download, and export only the second page. Return to your design, go to Uploads, and bring in the image you just downloaded. Place it over your first page and align it carefully with the original text and zipper. With the uploaded image selected, use Background Remover so the black you painted disappears, leaving only the masked area to interact with the zipper. This creates the convincing open and under effect that sells the illusion. Once you're satisfied with the alignment and look, delete the second page to keep your project tidy. Zoom in to fine-tune edges, nudge elements with your arrow keys for pixel-perfect placement, and try contrasting colors between the text and background for maximum impact. And that's your perspective text with a zipper effect in Canva.